In this video, we are going to solve question number 17 of exercise 5.1. Find the relationship between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x is equals to ax plus 1 if x less than or equals to 3, bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous at x is equals to 3. So we have to find the relationship between a and b. It is given that the function is continuous at the point x is equals to 3. So let us see the solution. So we know that a function is continuous at the point means its left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. So that is equals to the value of the function at that point. So here the given point is 3. So left hand limit is limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equals to right hand limit x tends to 3 plus f of x that is equals to f of 3. So all these should be same. Then we can say that the function is continuous at the point 3. So let us compute the left hand limit. So left hand limit is equals to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. Means here x is approaching to 3 from left hand side. Means x is taking the values nearer to 3 but less than 3. So that is same as limit h tends to 0 f of 3 minus h. So h is a very small quantity which is nearer to 0. So that is equals to limit h tends to 0. So consider the first definition of the function. So because we are taking the values of x which are less than 3, what happens? For less than or equals to 3, the functional value is ax plus 1. So substitute here, f of 3 minus h becomes how much? We have to replace x by 3 minus h. So that is a into 3 minus h plus 1. So now substitute the limit. If you replace h by 0, so we get a into 3 minus 0 plus 1. So that is equals to here plus 1. So that is equals to 3a plus 1. So left hand limit of the function we got 3a plus 1. So similarly we compute the right hand limit of the given function. So right hand limit is equals to, we can write limit x tends to 3 plus f of x, or that is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of 3 plus h. So right hand limit means again x is approaching to 3 from right hand side. So here we are taking the values of x nearer to 3 but greater than 3. So same definition we can write. If you take h as very small quantity which is nearer to 0, what we are doing? Again 3 plus h means we are taking values nearer to 3 but greater than 3. So that is equals to. So in this case we are considering the second definition, because for the values of x greater than 3, what happens? Functional f of x value is bx plus 3. So now substitute in place of x 3 plus h. So we are getting limit h tends to 0 b into 3 plus h plus 3. Now substituting the limit, so that is replacing h by 0. So we get b into 3 plus 0 plus 3. That is equals to 3 into b plus 3. So left hand limit 3a plus 1 and right hand limit is 3b plus 3. So we obtained left hand limit is equals to 3a plus 1 and right hand limit is equals to 3b plus 3. Since the function is continuous at the point 3, what we can do? We can equate the left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. So both the limits should be same. So if you equate, what we will get? So that is 3a plus 1 is equals to 3b plus 3. Take 1 to RHS. So 3a is equals to 3b plus 2, or a is equals to 3b plus 2 divided by 3. Or if you simplify, you get b plus 2 by 3. So we got the relation a is equals to b plus 2 by 3. So this is the required solution. Thank you.